Hi all! Today I will share a recipe for high-protein shawarma. For that, first we need 300 grams of chicken marinated with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, salt and soy sauce as required, and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, fry the chicken. In a bowl, add some cabbage, capsicum, cucumber, onion and salt as per your taste, and mix well. In this mix, add the fried chicken and mayonnaise, whose video I have already posted. For those who haven't watched, just go and watch, and mix well. Now in a P-Hulker or Kuboos, add the mixture and roll it. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with a new video tomorrow. If you like the video, please do like,